starting with the Skyrise HD rooftop tent. We really took the Skyrise rooftop tent that we've had in the market and just kind of made it a little bit burlier, thicker denier materials, ripstop material there. Also blew out the inside a little bit, made it a little bit more roomy. All of the windows and doors are all now the same size. So as far as really opening that up and getting those big sweeping views, it weighs about 120 pounds for our medium and about 105 pounds, give or take, for our small. So what makes Yakima unique in the rooftop tent space is we actually call a one-to-one fit evaluation for your vehicle. So what that means is a consumer can walk into one of our retailers and they can look up the fit on their vehicle to just make sure that it's going to be a good fit for your vehicle, that you're not gonna cause any unforeseen damage. Unfortunately, not all vehicles are made the same. So what we've done is we've done all the testing to make sure that when we say you can use a rooftop tent on your vehicle, we stand behind that static loading scenario that a rooftop tent brings for the vehicle. So we were looking at $21.99 for the medium, and then $16.99 for the small. Well, the static weight limit of the medium tent is 650 pounds. We test this whole system to be able to accommodate a worst case loading scenario. You won't be able to blow that out if you're using this within spec.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.